Here, and today we're going to talk about overriding in the context of object-oriented programming and how it's implemented with Python. So before we get into the code, I'm going to go over a quick overview of what is object-oriented, or what is overriding. So in object-oriented programming, OOP, overriding refers to the ability of a subclass to provide a different implementation of a method that is already provided by its superclass. When a method in a subclass has the same name, return type, and parameters as a method in its superclass, it is said to override the superclass. When a subclass overrides a method, it can provide its own implementation of that method, which may differ from the implementation in the superclass. This allows for the subclass to inherit the behavior of the superclass, while also modifying or extending that behavior to suit its specific needs. It is important to note that when a subclass overrides a method, the subclass's implementation of the method will be called instead of the superclass's implementation when that method is called on an object of the subclass. Okay, that was long, wordy, but now let's talk about let's actually implement that. Okay, so here's the example. I'm going to call this class parent, and we're going to define a method called display. And what that's going to do is just print out. This is the display method of the parent class. We'll create another class child, just child, and it accepts parent. And we're going to define display, which is the same method name, now being defined by the subclass. Print. This is the display method of the child class. P equals parent. P dot what? P dot display. And this is going to output the display method of the parent class. C equals child. C dot display. And this is going to output the display method of child class. Okay, so we just have 2 lines of code here. There it is. This is the display method of the child class. Let's clear this out again. And yeah, this is the display method of the parent class. This is the display method of the child class. So we're just overriding the already existing method in the parent class. And we're doing that from the child class. What if I said this? Just change the name, add a Z there, just to goof it up. Now they both do the same. Now they do this. So we've overridden that method. So that's it, pretty basic. Don't overthink it. Easy peasy. And thanks for watching, and have a great day. Oh yeah, by the way, sorry. Please hit the subscribe button if you like these sorts of tutorials. Bye-bye.